The Zacks Rank, value, momentum, growth, and income all factor into Zacks Rank buys.
There are a couple of retailers on the growth and income stock radar. Nina Mishra, who edits our income investor service here at Zacks, is going to fill us in on which ones pique her interest. The first one is Best Buy.
It's not been easy for brick and mortar retailers, but some of them have been doing well, despite the Amazon effect, the rising trend for shopping online. And I think Best Buy is one of them. They have really improved their merchandise, their marketing, and also their in-store sales experience over the last couple years. And they have also increased focus on their online channel.
I was going to say, they have a pretty decent online presence.
Exactly. In fact, in the last quarter, e-commerce sales grew more than 24%. So that was really good. And it's a Zacks Rank 2 buy-ranked stock. And if you look at the industry rank, that is 17 out of 265, which is top 6% as of now. So that also looks good. And they are currently trading at forward earnings of 11.7 times, which makes them very attractive in terms of valuation itself. And their value score is, style score is A, and VGM score is also A. If you look at their detailed estimates, you will see that they have been beating Zacks Consensus Estimates consistently. They delivered a huge beat last quarter as well. Here is their earnings beat, earnings surprise record. And
a pretty decent dividend too.
Yes, they pay a dividend of about 3.4%, which is great in the current environment. And in fact, what I was going to show was their earnings surprise chart, the price and EPS surprise chart, which looks really good because they haven't missed since 2013. You can look at this chart to see that. Their current ESP is more than 7%. ESP is Zacks earnings surprise prediction. So this is Zacks proprietary tool for determining which stocks have the best chances of delivering surprises in their earnings release. What I like about them is, as we mentioned, it has a great dividend yield, and they have also been returning capital to shareholders in the form of buybacks. Earlier this year, they had announced a $1 billion buyback plan, which is going to be executed over the next 2 years. And they also announced a special one-time dividend and also increased their regular quarterly dividend by 22%. So this is our stock which investors should take a look at, and I think it's great for growth and income investors.
Yeah. And when you consider it wasn't long ago that analysts were kind of taking a dim view.
Yes, exactly. They have really improved in the past, 1.5, 2 years.
Okay. Then there's PetMed Express, largest pet pharmacy in America.
Yes.
But still considered a retailer.
Yes. So they operate as 1-800 PetMeds. As you said, it is the largest pet pharmacy in the country. They deliver prescription and non-prescription medicines for pets, as well as health and nutrition supplements and other supplies for pets. They do most of their marketing online and on TV, and customers can place orders either on phone or online. Okay. Their online sales are almost 80%, more than 80% of total sales. And they have also been beating the Zacks Consensus Estimates. If you look at detailed estimates page, they have been consistently delivering positive surprises over the last 4 quarters, the average positive surprise was 7.29%. It's Zacks Rank #1, strong buy stock, currently trading at about 18.7 times forward earnings. So not really cheap like Best Buy, but it has a growth style score of A, which is good for growth and income investors, and the current dividend yield is 3.7%. They have also been raising the dividend yield. In fact, they also raised their dividend payout earlier this year. And the top
3.7% right now.
3.7% dividend and the top Zacks rank, and a history of beating estimates. I think that looks good for the stock.
Okay. Do you own either one?
No, I don't.
All right. Don't forget, you can check out more information on stocks, stock picks and stock picking strategies in particular, stock commentary, and more on Zacks.com. Link to it all off the homepage, but first you have to get there. So if you're not there already, get on over and check it out. With Nina, I'm Terry Ruffalo.